Not all food is created equal. One of my passions outside of chiropractic is gardening. I love to know that my food is raised with healthy soil in a clean, toxin-free environment. Because I'm a meat eater as well as loving my veggies, I always try to consume 100% grass-fed meat. For several years, I've relied on our neighboring Amish community to provide the highest quality beef, chicken, and pork for our family. I have been collaborating with some of my closest friends in the Amish community to figure out a way to bring these healthier options to our community. They may not be able to use the internet to promote their products, but I know this is good for every one of us. I have decided to do just that. Coming soon, we will be offering online ordering of 100% grass-fed chicken. Orders will be placed weekly and shipments will be dropped off at our office for pickup on Thursdays. 100% grass-fed beef will be added once we get the chicken to take flight. If you're interested in learning more about grass-fed meats for you and your family, message us at lombardichiropractic.com.